Hey guys, hope that you are doing amazing. Did you miss me? No. Good, thank you. We made before mini pancakes. Today we're gonna make mini churros with the chocolate sauce. They are super delicious and crunchy. With only one egg and a cup of milk, you can make a bowl of these mini churros, but you will not be able to stop eating them. So let's start. Okay, into a saucepan you're gonna add a cup of milk, 250 grams exactly. You can use water too, but add 2 teaspoons of butter. After the milk comes to boil, turn to low heat. Put the flour into the boiling mixture and don't turn the heat off. Mix well from 2 to 3 minutes until you have a wet dough. It becomes smooth. Take the pot down and wait for 5 minutes to cool down. Crack 1 egg and add vanilla extract. Mix well and it will come together. It takes just a few minutes. If you aren't patient, you can use the stand mixer. Do you see? It's done. Now transfer the dough into a piping bag with the star tip you have. Now let's fry in our churros. The temperature should be around 160 degrees. Cook these until golden. I recommend to eat them fresh and hot. You can put them in the cinnamon sugar or serve them with the chocolate sauce. To make the chocolate sauce, you need 50 grams of dark chocolate melted with 3 teaspoons of cream. They are super delicious, crunchy, and soft. If you like my video, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment.